اعظم شہباز شریف نے ملیشیا میں اعزازی ڈگری کی تقریب سے خطاب کیا۔ ان کا کہنا تھا بین الاقوامی اسلامی یونیورسٹی آف ملیشیا سے ڈاکٹریٹ کی اعزازی ڈگری حاصل کرنا اعزاز کی بات ہے۔ خواہش ہے پاکستان اور اس یونیورسٹی کے درمیان اعلیٰ تعاون مزید مضبوط ہو۔ درسگاہ علم، ایمان، اخلاق کو یکجا کر کے اعلیٰ تعلیم کو آگے بڑھا رہی ہے۔
Your Highness, allow me at the very outset to convey my deepest respects to Your Royal Highness Tunko Aziza Amina Memna Iskandariya for gracing this occasion and sparing your very valuable time. It is indeed a great privilege and an honor to be amongst all of you here in the gathering of luminaries to humbly receive the Honorary Doctorate of Leadership and Governance from this great seat of learning, International Islamic University of Malaysia. Honorable guests, for over 4 decades, I devoted my humble services to serve the cause of the people of Punjab, the largest province of Pakistan, as their public servant, and now as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. And in the line of duty, despite my human failings, I tried my best to serve the people with sincerity of purpose and unwavering commitment. Today, with my head bowed in all humility before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as I accept this honor with heartfelt gratitude, I am truly delighted to be associated through this degree of philosophy with one of the most revered seats of learning in the Muslim world, an institution that has championed the integration of knowledge, faith, and ethics in pursuit of